Look at the ratchet straps. Oh my God, look at it. I love it. I think it looks sick. Fast Nation, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel, guys. A little bit of a special treat today. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to do a lot of work in this one. I'm just really going to get right into it. So lately I've been watching these videos of wheels. People are taking wheels and making them into all kinds of awesome and neat, crazy different things. Legos. I saw one with duct tape. I did see another one with plastic wrap. I saw one with rubber band. I saw an ice tire, several different channels doing it. And I thought to myself, man, this would be cool. I could make some really easy videos. I have some cool ideas that nobody else has done yet. My creative side has been going off the charts this week. I've been writing down tons of stuff to bring content to you guys. And a lot of you have given me a ton of great feedback on the last video with the Mojave sitting right here behind me. So I appreciate that. A lot of you want to see me restore the Mojave. I think I'm definitely going to do a light restoration on it. We'll see what happens from there. But before I do that, I have a series of videos I want to do on wheels. So if you guys take a look right here, you'll see I have a couple wheels laid out. For those of you who follow my Instagram channel at StupidFastJohn, you guys would know that I've been posting some pictures up of the wheels, and it was kind of like a picture kind of like this. And I said, can you guess what I'm doing? Well, today I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to take a set of empty rims. I'm going to take one of these. Now, none of these wheels fit the Mojave. The Mojave has a special lug pattern. It's a 4x156 in the back and in the front. So the back hub is just as big as the front. So it's hard to find a set of wheels that will fit the back. Like the Banshee. The Banshee wheels, the fronts will fit this, but the backs will not fit this because the back pattern is actually smaller than the front pattern. So anyways, I'm going to take a set of these wheels. I'm going to drill them out to match the lug pattern on this. Yes, I'm going to try and get it as round as possible. I'm going to, obviously we don't want a wheel doing like the oblong dance or something like that. I don't know. And then as you guys could see, I actually have two big rolls of plastic wrap and a throttle cable for the Mojave. So we're going to get the throttle cable put on, and then we're going to wrap these rims up and see how tight we can get them. The only other channel I've seen do plastic wrap rims was Novice Garage, and I think they did an excellent job, but I feel like I could take it to the next level. That's why I chose to do a video that was already done. I can tell you I have about 10 more videos like this lined up already, and I've got all kinds of crazy ideas for these wheels. It's stuff nobody has done. I can't give details away because I want them to be surprised. I definitely don't want to ruin the suspense factor. Without any more talking, I'm gonna get to work. Enjoy the video, guys. So I got the wheels drilled out. I got the wheels installed on the back. This one's a hair oblong, the other one is not. I don't care. That doesn't mean anything to me. Who cares about that? It doesn't have to be centered or anything. I got these wheels on. These wheels are actually from the Banshee. They actually fit on the front of this fairly well, and they're actually a little bit wider. They give the quad just a little bit of a wider stance. It'd look really slick with some wheel spacers or something on it, but that's for later. So this rim's actually pretty centered. This one runs really good. We got the throttle cable on. I'm gonna turn the throttle up since I don't have anybody here to film for me, and then I'm gonna start the process of coating these wheels. That is the, talk about a custom bead lock. Look at that baby. I like that. Stupid fast bead locks. Come and get them. Oh yeah, that's pretty hard. It's actually harder than I thought it would be, honestly. All right, guys. So it's actually kind of dark out here. A little too dark for me to take this thing out for a ride on these plastic wrap wheels. But I'm gonna wait till the morning. We're gonna hang tight till the morning. And then I got a buddy of mine coming over. He's gonna film me ripping out in the yard in this thing to see what it does. I have no idea. Honestly though, I wish. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get 2 more rolls of this, because I'd have liked to have had the wheels a little bit taller in diameter, but I'm okay with this. It really doesn't look that bad, and there is ground clearance. If you look, the chain does clear the rims. The chain and the disc do clear the rims, and there's extra cushion on there from the plastic wrap. So this should hold up fairly well. You know, if it holds up for 5 seconds, I will be extremely happy with the results. I was gonna put tape on the rim, but I actually just said, screw it, and we're gonna send it. And as you saw in the video, that's what we did. So stick with me till the morning. Let's take this thing out and see how well these wheels actually hold up. I'm ready to do some hoon shit. All right, guys, day number 2. We're gonna get this thing down on the ground. We're gonna take it outside, and we're gonna see what it does. Oh my God. It's resting on the jack. Oh, it's actually pretty hard. Yeah, that's gonna work. Oh yeah. Let's go, Mojave. Let's see what you got. Plenty of ground clearance under there. Oh my God, look at it. Oh man. You know what? I think I'm gonna roll it. I don't want to go off the concrete, because I'm afraid if I go off the concrete, it'll step down real hard and then the sprocket now will hit. Screw it, we'll see. Gotta let it warm up for a second. Oh. Yes! Oh my God. before. Well, shockingly enough, it actually seems to hold up really good as we wrap them really tight. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it good on this video, and I'm gonna actually clean the carburetor out because this thing is dogging on the top end. I don't see any fuel coming out of the main jet. So maybe it got clogged up. Maybe there's something else that broke loose, got caught in the main jet. So yeah, for now, we're gonna call it good. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the content, give me a like, give me a share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you guys get any other crazy ass ideas you want me to give a shot, let me know. I've got a whole list, I think, of at least 10 or 15 different tires I want to make. To be honest with you, I need to get this thing in better working condition so I can do some rippers. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.